So in this video, we are going to look at how to create menu, how to organize our menu on the website so that it appears in the order you want. So remember that you cannot create a menu when you have not created pages. In our previous video, you have learned how to create pages, how to delete, how to rename the pages. Now, after creating pages, we are going to create a menu for our website. Remember, the page name you create appears here. This is the menu, but it's not in the order we want. So let's go to dashboard. Then where do you find the menu? The menu is under appearance. So you go to appearance, you hover your mouse there, then you click menu, click on menu. It will load. Then this is the interface for the menu tab. Menu tab. Then you start with the menu name. Menu name, let me call it main menu. I even saved it, main menu. Then there are some settings here. Automatically add new top level pages to this menu. So if you create a page, after creating this menu, you don't need to come back here to add that page. The page will be automatically added. That's why I've checked that. Then you want the same menu to appear in header menu 1? Yes. Then you want the same menu to appear in mobile view? Yes. Mobile view, it means that when you're using smartphone, this is a screen for a laptop, but this screen, the way it is displayed is not the way it is displayed on the smartphone, because the smartphone screen width is smaller than this one of the desktop or laptop computers. So after checking all these three, now you click on create a menu. The menu has been created. Now the next thing is to add these pages to the menu you've created. So you can select them all, or you can select one by one. If you want to add one by one, then after selecting them, you click add to menu. They will be added here. They will be added here. Now the next step is to organize them the way you want. Home should come as the first menu, or the first link should be in the first position. So I'll just long press. If not, you can right click, you click here, but let me long press as I move it upwards. And it's not a sub menu. Put it there. Services, I want about us to be the next tab. Also drag it, I drop it there. So that is the order I want. That is the order I want my page to be. So if you want a sub menu, just slightly move it to the right side, like there. You will see here sub item, but I don't want sub menu, so let me leave it like that. Then after organizing it the way I want, then I click on save menu. So my menu has been updated. So I come here to this tab to view, to see whether it is now in the order I have organized. Just refresh. Perfect. It is the way I want. You see, it's not in ascending order, it's not in descending order, but the way I have organized it. So if you want to delete the menu, just come here and delete. So when you delete it, you won't see it here. So you create this menu once. Whatever we have done, you just do it once, because we are setting up our environment to start adding items on a page. So that's how you can manage the menu. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in our next video.